Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Steve Jain from Computer Science Engineering Department. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about classes and objects in Python. Come, let's get into the video and see about it. This is my first program in classes and objects. In this program, I'm gonna do some relational operations using Python. Look in this. I have created a class named rectangle here, and I have used a default parametric constructor here using init, and I have assigned the length and breadth to this using self. And I have created here a function, user-defined function named display, and I am going to print the length and breadth here of the each object here. So and now I am again creating a 6 special functions here, like add, equal to, and lesser than, greater than, lesser than, equal to, and greater than, equal to. I'm gonna use these functions, and now I'm gonna compare this, and I'm gonna get the result from these functions. So I'm gonna do this using this object here. So I'm gonna assign the class to this object R1 here with the values of 20 and 10, and I'm gonna print the details using the display function. And in the same way, I'm gonna call the rectangle class here for R2, and I have give the details of 10 and 5, and I'm gonna print the details of here using display function. And now I'm gonna add the both the functions here. To do one arithmetical operation, I'm gonna add here. So it will be giving me the length and breadth of these common ones. So I'll be getting here in the R3, and now I'm gonna use the relational operators for equal to, lesser than, greater than, lesser than, equal to, and greater than, equal to here. Now let's run the program and check the output here. Good. Yeah, now I got the output as data in R1 object as 20 and 10, which I gave the input here. And I got the R2 object here, like 10 and 5. And I got the sum of these as 30 and 15. And now I'm going to get the relational operators here, like I'm getting the answer as false, because we know it's not equal to, and it's getting the relational operators through this. I got false, false, and true, false, true for these operations. Yeah, now let's go to my second program here. This is my second program in class and objects. In this program, I'm going to create a student class, and I'm going to get the details of the 2 students. So I'm going to collect the register number, name, and CGPA details, and I'm going to print these details using class and object functions. Come, let's see the program. I have created a class named student, and I have defined the I have defined the constructor using self, register number, name, and CGPA, and I'm assigning those values using self. And now I'm creating a special function with string, so I can get the details of the name, register number, and CGPA. So for returning that, I'm going to use a format function here. Using this, I'm going to return the values here. So now I have created 2 objects, S1 and S2, and I have called the student function here. So I will be getting the input details of these details, like register number, name, and the CGPA. And now I'll be printing these 2 print statements. Come, let's check the program here. Look, we can get those names here. Name as Moses, register number as 1101, and we got the CGPA as 9.48. Yeah. Hope this video is helpful, guys. Thank you.